everyone, welcome to Foresight TV with me Anjali. Global warming is no longer a distant threat but a pressing reality that could have severe consequences for our health. Recent research has shed light on the potential dangers of rising temperatures and humidity levels, particularly in densely populated areas like India and the Indus Valley. As our climate continues to change, the combination of heat and humidity becomes a critical factor in the occurrence of heat-related health problems such as heat stroke and heart attacks. Let's explore the link between climate change and these alarming health risks, highlighting the urgency of addressing this issue to safeguard our well-being. Here's a special report from Foresight TV. According to interdisciplinary research conducted by the Penn State College of Health and Human Development, the Purdue University College of Sciences and the Purdue Institute for a Sustainable Future, global warming beyond 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels will have severe consequences for human health. The study explains that the human body can only tolerate specific combinations of heat and humidity before facing heat-related health issues such as heat stroke or heart attacks. If global temperatures rise by 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, approximately 2.2 billion people in the Indus River Valley of Pakistan and India, 1 billion individuals in eastern China and 800 million people in sub-Sahara Africa will experience heat levels exceeded human tolerance. Cities such as Delhi, Kolkata, Shanghai, Multan, Nanjing and Wuhan will be particularly affected by these annual heat waves. The impact of this heat wave will be even more devastating in low and middle income countries where access to air conditioning or other cooling methods may be limited. In the event that global warming reaches 3 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, the eastern seaboard and the central region of the United States, spanning from Florida to New York and Houston to Chicago, will also face extreme heat. South Africa and Australia will also be significantly affected, while developed nations will also suffer from the consequences of increased heat, and the impact will be less significant compared to developing nations, particularly for vulnerable groups such as the elderly and those in poor health. Co-author of the research paper, Matthew Huber, who is a professor of Earth, Atmospheric and Planetary Sciences at Purdue University, highlights that regions which are not wealthy and are projected to experience rapid population growth will face the worst heat stress. Despite generating fewer greenhouse gas emissions, these nations will bear the brunt of the heat-related consequences. In this interconnected world, everyone can expect to be negatively affected in some way by the consequences of heightened global temperatures. It is imperative that immediate action is taken to curtail the emission of greenhouse gases, particularly carbon dioxide resulting from the combustion of fossil fuels. Failure to implement these changes will disproportionately affect middle-income and low-income countries, exacerbating the adverse consequences of rising temperatures. By reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and embracing sustainable alternatives, we can mitigate the impact of climate change and ensure a more equitable future for all. It is crucial that we prioritize the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions to safeguard the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. Thank you for watching Foresight TV with me, Anjali.